What are we gonna make?
We are going to make a lamp that is a unicorn for my new unicorn bedroom.
And it's gonna be made out of a china ball. This is a china ball paper lantern. And so
we are going to be making a unicorn out of it for my new unicorn.
And we're gonna start with the horn. So this is from a foam sheet.
This is how we're gonna make the horn.
So we're rolling it.
That's actually the perfect size.
Yeah, it is. Pulling it on an angle a little bit more tightly so that's going to be a point. I almost always burn myself. All right, I'm just going to do a little strip. Wah! Okay, here we go. Hot glue. Ouch, see? Oh, that really hurt. It's okay.
Can you cut it now?
No, we gotta hold it for a sec.
I'm not holding that.
I'm gonna hold it because it's hot.
And you totally know it because you've burned yourself.
See, this is very, it's got glitter on it, so it's probably harder to stick than normal. Do you want to cut down here? Let's first cut the excess. Wow, that glue is like smoking. Don't touch it.
Don't turn on our smoke alarm.
Yeah, right. Let me see how big we
I'm gonna stick it inside.
Oh, good idea. Like as if that's her face? Do you want me to hold it for you and you judge how big it should be?
Just about that big.
Okay. I'm going to make it bigger, see what you think.
No.
Too much?
Right there.
Right there? Okay, great. I know. Let's make a line. Huh? Great, that's good. Maybe a little bit below it. Okay.
No.
That's good.
That's right on it.
Great.
And there's...
We're going to cut off that excess, sweetie. Okay, you got it. Great. I want as little weight as possible on the lamp.
Why?
Because it's, the paper is so light. And if you have a lot of weight, it might make it pull a certain way. I'm going to put a little more glue here.
Don't hurt yourself.
I know, I always do, don't I? So, it helps sometimes to hold it down with a pencil. Okay. Is that a good spot?
Yeah.
Because we have the seam in the back.
And also, this is one of our decorations.
Yeah. Cool. Okay, let's see.
They look very realistic, but they're actually fake-listic.
I love that word, fake-listic. Really cool. I've never heard that word before. I love it. Fake-listic. What's great is we cut it on a slight angle so it actually works with the sphere. This is called a sphere shape. I love hot glue. It's amazing.
Yeah.
What is it made out of? Plastic? Okay, I'm holding this down so it really seals. Can you figure out the ears?
Okay, I'll grab some.
Yeah, maybe draw some on paper and then...
I know that.
You want to draw it on here?
Uh-huh.
And then I guess
Wait,
if you make a mistake, we'll turn it around and use the back. That sounds good. Do you have the pencil?
This is
Here's
cool.
a pencil. That's a pile of glue.
That's cool. Let's say goodbye.
So Kylie was whispering she was getting bored, and around here, that's a bad word. We don't use that word because, come over here. So what do we do when we're bored? It means we're not creating something, right? Because it's not up to the world to entertain us. We can create anything. Oh wait, we're going to make the same kind of ear like we did with the
Unicorn.
the other unicorn. So remember how we folded it?
Yeah.
So it was like a circle. Look, honey. It was like that.
Yeah. I see your trace.
With my nail.
There, just like that.
And
Can I
then-
grab and cut that out?
Yeah. Here's some scissors. Look, that looks pretty cool. Huh? What do you think?
Yeah.
It's getting there. An ear? Well, before you do that, we want to make 2 ears. And is that the right size? Can I hold it for a sec? That looks good. Let's see. Where would it go? In the front or the back?
I think it would look hole in the front. I like it kind of like right here.
Me too.
Right here, like near the horn. Is that kind of how it was?
Well, if we cut it here, then we have an exact template and we can put it on there.
Yeah. So kind of like cut it, yeah, right about here.
Okay, so you want to hold it and cut it, or you want me to hold it and you
I
cut
want
it?
to hold it.
Okay.
Cut it.
All right. All right. So are you going to make a template and then trace it on here?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Okay, so here's a corner. So I'm going to put some blush on here. Is that okay?
Yeah.
You want to do it? Okay.
Like that?
Mm-hmm. Nice. Just like that?
Mm-hmm. Strings.
Now we have 2 ears.
They might still have hot glue.
Huh?
They still have hot glue on them though.
I think the glue is cooled down.
I'll place some.
Okay, you're gonna
Put on
place
the
it.
very, very bottom.
All right, here we go.
Go!
Yikes. Okay, go for it. You gotta put it down, honey. Okay, can I grab it? Like this, right? Is that right?
Yes.
Oh, none of us got enough sleep this weekend.
I did.
You did? Really? Went to bed at 10 o'clock every night?
And my real bedtime is 8:30.
And you are now like a zombie.
I'm not like a zombie!
Ow!
I'm not like a zombie.
Oh, you just sound like one, I guess. This is hard to do. Hard to hold. Could you hold the ball? Could you hold the ball for me? All right. I can't do this. Can you hold the ball so it doesn't move? Okay, hold that so it doesn't move. Great. So how do you want to do the flowers?
Clappy, clappy, click. This one will go right in between the ear.
Can I hold it for you?
Yeah. Look at 2 eyes.
Cute.
I just noticed something. There's only 4 roses.
Well, here's one.
2, 3, 4.
We should probably have it with a longer stem though.
No. Because this one.
Oh, it's going to go right there. Oh. Pretty. And just one there or 2? Or what do you think?
2.
Could be
I
like 4.
believe in miracles.
Okay, do you want me to glue them like that?
I will.
The glue really hurts, honey.
Please.
All right. Oops. You want to put it underneath the flower? Or?
No, Mama, this is what I was thinking.
So underneath the petals. Are you putting it under the petals or on top of the petals?
Under.
Okay.
Ow. That's
Do
okay.
you want me to do it?
No.
Okay.
That wasn't even a real owl. That was just a fake owl.
Okay. See, look how much this tilts forward when I hold it. Because of all the weight.
That's okay. Well, actually,
That might be
it's
cool.
gonna be pointing down at my room so I can see it. Duh.
Great.
Like
Duh.
McQueen was.
Duh, like McQueen was. So now we're going to get the contact paper. We're going to make some black, beautiful eyelashes.
eyes and eyelashes.
All right, so I love the size that you came up with. Can we just see how it looks on here? So we want it like... So yeah, I think...
Perfect.
Can I just cut the arch a little more, like a little more of
Can
a...
I do it? Perfect.
Before you do the eyelashes, can you trace that and do a second one? So we have two that are similar. Okay. Awesome. Ooh, pretty. So they're like fringes. Love it. I love your system. I wasn't sure how to do that. Can I see it first? Can I see how? Do we need to cut some off?
No.
To
I like it.
like it? Let me just show you. I'm not gonna pull the stuff off. Cool.
I like it.
Would you want more white showing through or no?
I like it.
All right.
There we go. Can I put it on?
Gently put it on in case we have to pull it back off. Oh, that's so beautiful. You made that. Can I adjust it?
I like it.
It's higher. See, look, see this rung? You make that one higher. So what's nice is you have those lines so you can line them up. So here a little bit on the inside. Try not to get it on my thumb. What do you think?
Oh yeah!
Do we need anything else?
No.
Okay, that's our setup. It's just a simple light fixture hanging up on some hooks.
Here's the reveal in 3, 2, 1, yeah!